We do Texas style barbecue. We do any kind of meat that there is. We cater also to the vegetarian population. I've been in business since 1968. This started with my grandfather, passed it down to my father, and then to me. Services that we offer are full service catering, shipping anywhere in the country, whether it be ribs, brisket. Our product is just that good, and it'll arrive fresh and on time, guaranteed. We specialize in weddings, funerals, bar mitzvahs, and we'll go anywhere in the country just to satisfy you. My business is community orientated. I give 30% of my gross back to nonprofits. Everything we do with care. BIG's Smoking Barbecue. And this is what you call down home or smoking, son. Ooh, doggies.